Treatment of psoriasis. Psoriasis is a skin disease and may be caused by external as well as internal factors. In psoriasis, skin cells mature and die in less than a week. But we have treatment of psoriasis. Just watch this video. 1. Aloe Vera. To get rid of psoriasis, gel from the aloe plant can be applied to the skin up to 3 times a day. It can also help to reduce redness and scaling associated with psoriasis. 2. Oatmeal. Oats are considered best treatment of psoriasis and one of nature's best skin soothers. There is no scientific evidence to support the use of oats to relieve psoriasis symptoms, but many individuals with psoriasis report applying an oat paste or thoroughly mix 1 cup oats in a bathtub filled with lukewarm water. Soak in this oatmeal bath for 15 to 20 minutes daily. When you get out of the bath, rinse with lukewarm water, dry your skin and apply good moisturizer. 3. Eat turmeric. Curcumin, an antioxidant found in turmeric, has been shown to protect skin by neutralizing free radicals and reducing wound healing time. To achieve benefits, aim to take in about a teaspoon of turmeric every day. It has a subtle, citrusy flavor that works well in rice, veggies, pasta, and other cooked meals. 4. Apply apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar helps restore the natural pH balance of the skin and helps prevent infections. Plus, it reduces itching and skin irritation. Mix 1 teaspoon of organic apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and drink it twice daily. The remedy is also good for overall health as it detoxifies the body. 5. Use garlic. Garlic is another great treatment of psoriasis because it has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Mix equal amounts of garlic oil and aloe vera gel. Apply it on the affected area. Leave it on for about 15 minutes before washing it off. Do this daily until you see improvement. Eating garlic can also prevent psoriasis outbreaks due to its active compounds and blood purifying property. 6. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is also a good treatment of psoriasis. Just take sunbath for a few minutes can also help to get rid of psoriasis. I hope you enjoyed the video about treatment of psoriasis. Subscribe to our channel and learn more about new things. Thanks for watching videos. Subscribe, likes, and share. Thank you.